The ability to make split-second decisions under pressure is a crucial aspect of many roles, and interviewers often ask about this skill to gauge a candidate's ability to think on their feet. The goal of this question is to understand how you handle pressure when faced with an unexpected decision, and your response should provide a specific example of a time when you made a quick decision and came out on top. To answer this question effectively, you should outline the situation, describe the decision you had to make, and explain your thought process, highlighting that you made a well-calculated decision despite being under pressure. It's essential to provide as much detail as possible, including the pros and cons you weighed, and to discuss any measurable impact your decision had. Avoid giving vague answers, such as simply stating that you react well under pressure, and instead focus on telling a story about a specific time when you successfully navigated a pressure-based situation. Using the STAR method, situation, task, action, result, can help you organize your response and provide the right amount of information. For example, you might describe a situation where you had to make a last-minute decision, such as declining to approve a website copy that didn't feel right, and explain how you came to that decision, the risks involved, and the positive outcome that resulted. By providing a specific example and walking the interviewer through your thought process, you can demonstrate your ability to make effective decisions under pressure and set yourself apart from other candidates.